everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of SoulChill app. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about SoulChill. Here you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.